Okay guys, finally got around to the last of the Japanese Kyosho Mini Z's. Righty, so just these two left and that's it, we are done. The video was too long, I wanted to make it as 2 videos, it's become 3 because they've all been a little bit too long. Does that mean I talk too much? I don't know. Anyway, so let's see what goodies are in here. And again, this is from my good friend, Hero. And I wonder if he's put some little surprises in here again. Let's have a quick look. There should be some interesting stuff in here. Some used and some brand new. Oh, I think it sent me some stuff. Let's have a quick look at this. Ooh. Again, Hero Strikes Back. Where's the light? With the Kit Kats. But it's actually sent me some classic tyres, the normal 40s. Okay, and what else did they sent me? And some LMH high grip tyres, which are a 20. Very kind of me, old mate. Thank you. Right, let's move on to the actual unboxing. Right, so there's one case in here, and the rest of them are all without cases and just padded up. So let's have a look. The other box is a little bit higher than this one, so I imagine there's more cases in that other box. Righty, let's see. I can't remember what's even in here. Oh, righty. This is another one of them super shells. It reminds me of a tiger, I don't know why. Kind of the striping on it. I don't know how good the lighting is today, guys. Quite a nice shell. It's in good condition. I think it might have been used, but not really abused. Okay. Again, pretty shell. The thing was, if I wouldn't race these shells. They're too pretty. I'd have like a bust-up shell that I use for racing, and these ones will just be like looking mean or making videos with. Alrighty. Let's go on to the next one. And some of these will be rare, you know, pretty rare, pretty hard to get hold of. Can't remember which ones are which, but let's see. Okay, right, I found this interesting because I didn't know that Kyosho Mini Z's came as a Golf. News to me. So it's a Golf GTI. Kind of interesting, I never expected them to make a Golf. So I thought, when I'm making my little racing videos, it'd be a bit interesting to have a Golf, you know, racing about, or as part of the extras. Where's the... Okay, last time I got a bit muddled up with the actual mounts. Right. Alright, I think I remember this one. This one had taken a little bit of damage, but I didn't have this shell, so I thought, you know what? I still like that shell though. It's not a pretty shell, not a shell that I'd even go out of my way to buy. Because it was used, I thought, you know what? I don't have it, and it's a Ferrari, and you can't go wrong with Ferraris, and I believe it's the 575 in yellow. Let's have a look, don't lose that mount, because that's what I've been doing. And then you've just got to keep reading the stuff and finding your mounts. Okay, let's have a look at this guy. Yellow is a nice colour though. And again, you can tell it's used because the mirrors are missing. Glue them in, guys, glue them in. Okay, so that's something I would race if I was on a track. I wouldn't really mind smashing this up. But you know what I do with my 1/8 scale stuff, guys? I don't know if you do it in Mini Z's. I put shoe glue into the actual, you know, with some tape. But I know these are like a hard plastic, so I don't know if it's going to work. But it would stop it from breaking. It would give a bit of flex, so I would use that. Alright, okay. I ordered 2 chassis for him. And I've never had a LM one. So low mount and with a long wheelbase. So this could be it. It's not, oh, this one's kind of funky, guys, right? It's got a few upgrades on it, okay? And this is just a 98mm wheelbase. But it's got these funky aluminium wheels, which are a bit deep dish, and if you know You know me guys, I'm a bit of a sucker for deep dish wheels. So they're actually aluminium and they're golden with a nice little rim. I know it's cheesy, but I like that. So, alright, let's see what we've got here. We've got the carbon fibre chassis stiffener. We've got the alloy motor mount. Should have an upgraded motor on there, I think. Maybe an X-Speed. And, yeah, oil-filled shock. So a bit more resistance. Funky mounts for it. Upgraded springs in the front. Okay. Ball bearings all the way around. Yeah. Oh, what a sucker, man. I just like deep dish wheels, man. Okay, interesting. You probably noticed the cars in the background, guys. I'm going to talk about that stuff. I've got a few ideas, and you may be interested in them, because, as I've mentioned before, it's a bit dry getting Mini Zs, or getting shells, or getting ones that are discontinued, or it's a bit hard. So what I'm thinking, and I'll talk about in a video that I'm going to make after this, that why don't I just use 124 scale die-cast cars, oh this is the LM, right, and try and mount my Mini Zs to them, but we'll see how I get on with that endeavour. Okay, so this is a longer wheelbase, and this is quite a nice one. This was a little bit expensive, more than I normally would pay. It's got the deep dish wheels. This must be for a Porsche, one of them racing ones, LMS ones. Okay, brushless motor. It's got the upper arms that are alloy, knuckles that are alloy, stiffened shocks. Yeah, can you guys see that? Oh man, I hope the light's not too bad. Okay, I'm not sure if these are alloy wheels. It's obviously got alloy hexes, it's got bearings, it's got the low motor mount. You can see how it sits low on the actual car. It's got a PN brushless motor upgrade. I've never seen that kind of motor before. I hope it performs pretty well. So, yeah, and again, yeah, it's got oil-filled shocks. And that's basically it. Got a bit of weight to it. This actually feels quality, guys. I don't know if it's all the alloy bits that are on it, but it does. So I have to bind this with an ASF 2.4. Yeah. And then see how it handles. But most people that are racing are using this kind of a wheelbase and this kind of a setup. And with brushless you need a little bit more space, I reckon. So, that's a little bit, I was looking forward to that. That is a little beauty, man. That is a nice bit of kit. Hopefully it performs that as well. We shall see. Right, the one case left in here. It's yellow. I can tell this is another Ferrari. Come on. Try and save the bubble wrap so I can use it somewhere else. Come on, guys, come on. Just when the corners get stuck, then you're going to struggle. Right, here we go. Let's have a look. I think this is a 360 GT, but I've never actually seen one in yellow. I thought it looked quite nice. Or is it, sorry, have I got this wrong? Yeah, it is a 360. The F430 GT and this one I get mixed up. I think it's got some extra packaging in there. Today's a bit of a miserable day. I kind of filmed these next to my window and today's not a very nice day for it. That is very similar to the 430 GT, but alright, okay, cool. Pop that over there. Right, that's one box done, and we'll move on to the other one which will have more shells inside it. Okay guys, box number 2, and this is the last bit, and I know I've threatened this so many times before. I am done with Mini Zs, guys. I've got a few other things that I want to be doing, but yeah, I think I've got more than enough to mess about with, race about with, and even make videos off. I think I'm kind of like sorted. So, this is hopefully the unboxing of the last box of Mini Zs I ever get. You probably started thinking, yeah, we've heard that before. No guys, I am done. This is it. So, let's have a look. Hero always wraps this stuff up pretty cool. So that again, guys, a shout out to Hero. Moving Dream. I wonder if I get more Kit Kats in this box. But, yeah man, good seller. Again, 2 of them boxes came, guys. Didn't pay any tax whatsoever. So, in that respect, I wasn't dodging it or anything like that. I think he just Either they don't know what the equivalent is of the Japanese currency in pounds, which I don't really think so, or my friend Hiro is out to save the day. And I think the latter. Right, I can't remember what these are, but I know there's some funky stuff, so don't switch off. Don't touch that dial. Okay. Oh yeah. Right, Ferrari XX. I like the wheels on this. I did like the wheels on this. Can you see it, guys? Can you see that little red rim going around the wheels, black wheels? I'm robbing the wheels of that one time. The back, I think it's put a little bit more extra protection in there for it. Can you see the wheels? I don't need to get glare. Okay. Alright, looks a little bit like the Enzo shape to me anyway, but the wheels are nice. Okay, let's put that. Let's put you over here. Right. I could see through the actual bubble wrap. This is one of the Epson ones, and from what I remember, this should be the NSX. I'm not sure it's the GT version. The new NSX is pretty cool. It's one of the older versions. The Epson version. Okay. That's it from the back. From the side. It is old, but it's still kind of a funky shell, and it's rare. This is classed as very rare. So, well, it is in Japan. Okay. What are the wheels like? Nice. Then we're getting robbed as well. Okay. Let's pick out the middle one. Okay, now in my last unboxing you saw this one, but I had a version that had been used. It was pre-owned. It was alright, it wasn't damaged, but it didn't come as a full kit. And this is that baby as a full kit. And on this, the white wheels actually look nice. I've actually got this as a 1/8 scale shell on my on-road touring cars at a 1/8 scale. This camera's reversed. Oh my goodness. Okay, but you can see it there. Nice bit of kit. Okay. Cool. What's next? So these are all cased up, and all these ones are new then. So the good thing is, I mean, they've come from Japan, they're not damaged, which is pretty good. I have to cut this one? No, I'm not. Alright, this is one I don't really have, and for those viewers that are in America, it's one of your homegrown cars. Let me get it out. So you got the Chevrolet Corvette C5R, and I've got this again as a 1/8 scale for my Kyosho GT Inferno VE. And this isn't the full yellow, it's like two-tone. Almost got the white and the yellow. And there was something funky about the front. It had like, I don't know, it's got like lights at the front, and it gives you like a little bar to put on there to make it all yellow. I don't really get it. But yeah. Oh, you know what? I've actually got another few things coming. Oh my goodness. It just reminded me I've got a GT coming. And that's from Greece. But that was it. Believe me, I don't have a problem. That was it. That was the last one. I actually ordered that before I ordered this, but this has come quicker. Right, so that isn't here yet. I don't know if I'll bother making a video about that stuff, guys. It's just got a BMW Z, one of them little tiny cars. It's also got, let me cut this before I'm messing out. Another one, it's got an Enzo, which is yellow. And what else does it have? It's got that Ford GT. And there's one other thing that's in that. Now, because I was getting Porsches anyway, I thought, you know what? I'm going to keep that chassis anyway, it's a keeper. Let me just get another shell to put on there. for my little races, and this one has become rare and it's new. Yeah, the ones that I've seen weren't too new, and this is actually a new little baby, so loads of people have just got them in these and put them away for, you know, as an investment because they hold a value, and as they go along they increase in value. So the thing is, unless Kyosho, because they've still got the mould, but unless they bring it out again and redo it, which they haven't done for as far as I know, you know, your investment's pretty good. So isn't that a nice little baby? Let me take a picture of that one because that is a nice little shell. Okay, that's it, guys. I'm going to talk about around this video. I'm just a bit worried about my videos getting too long, so don't fall. Righty, so I did want to talk about something, guys, some ideas I've got, and it's related to Mini Z's, but there's some body shells I can't get hold of. For example, the General Lee body shell. Kyosho never did that, and you know, I'd like to have this racing about, or Starsky and Hutch. So what I'm going to try and do is, this is a 132 scale Scalex Tricks. I'm going to try and take off the pan of the Scalex Tricks and try and put Mini Z now. It's 92mm wheelbase, where the Mini Z's aren't a 92. They jump from 90 to 94. And the width is okay because it's 5.7mm, and the drifting cars, they're generally 5.7. So I'm going to have to figure out a way to try and get it under here. I really wanted a Mini General Lee, guys, yeah? So that's what I want to do. And then I've got other things that I want to do as well. I'm going to talk about it in a video after this, guys, but just giving you a bit of heads up. Like that's 170mm. Obviously it's a Volkswagen van with a little surfboard on top. I'm going to try and figure out if I can get my, you know, stuff to fit on this. Let me see that long wheelbase car. Let's have a quick look. Yeah, you see that? That could do it. That could just about do it. So, you know, I could really just... I don't know yet, guys. This is just an idea that's running through my head. But yeah, because I wanted one of them Renault Meganes. They look absolutely amazing. They look mind-blowing. The Mini Z version of them looks so cool, but they've sold out everywhere. Can't get hold of them. Like Rocking Horse Pool, man. So, I went and got this. Right. It's getting too long. Watch the next video. I'm going to unpack these and see what the wheelbase is like. If you're interested, stay tuned, guys. Watch the next video. That'll be on the hopefully on the thumbnail. So, yeah, watch the next vid. Okay, guys, we'll leave it there.